Thank you for clicking the link. My name is Chris McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. If you have any questions about this unit or would like to take a look at it, my cell phone number is 541-731-8583. Today we'll be taking a look at the Forest River Heritage Glen LTZ F295 BH. Go on and take a look inside. As you can see, this has a nice heavy-duty solid step. These steps fold up into the door, nice and solid. And as you come in, you can see a nice wide open floor plan. The slide here gives you tons of space. We'll start off in the back. You have two rear bunks. The bottom bunk goes back here, and as you can see, the top bunk has a really cool setup. It's L-shaped. With a nice viewing up here, really fun for the kids. And then down here is your front-facing entertainment center. Nice size TV, full audio controls, Bluetooth connectable to the phone. And then you have a fireplace down here. The fireplace is faux flames, but it's run off of 110. So the nice thing about it is you can actually heat the unit using electricity rather than burning your gas. And then more sleeping capability. You have the couch here that folds out into a bed, the dinette that transfers into a bed. And over here, nice size fridge, nice Furrion microwave, Furrion hooded vent, big drawer underneath the stove, which is uncommon in these units, nice size oven with the flip top, 3-burner stove, and then over here, storage there, storage all around. All of these are nice and deep. And a huge sink, nice and big. You can wash your pots and pans in there. And then again, a whole bunch more storage above and below. And one thing Heritage Glen does that a lot of places don't is these windows. Most commonly on these slide windows, they're going to be about this wide. But these ones take up the whole space, so you have nice wide open windows all the way across. And then we'll come on up into the bedroom. And the restroom. As you can see in here, nice good sized restroom, corner shower, glass doors, vanity mirror. And then into the bedroom here, tons of storage at the foot of the bed, TV mount. And this is the east-west bed, so your slide goes out with the bed, giving you space here and walk around room. And I really like these barn door setup slider. Washer dryer capability, LED lights in here, and then on this side, as you can see back in here, a nice set of shelves hanging. They also got some hooks within here so you can have tons and tons of space to hang your clothes. As you can see out here, LED lights along the awning, marine grade speakers, a TV mount with your cable and your plug-ins here. And this guy's got a nice mini fridge for all your soda. A sink and a true grill. All of these slide in with magnetic holds. As you see, no latches to break. Come around the back side here, you have a roof access ladder. And then a whole bunch more storage here underneath the back bunks. And then under here, you'll see huge basement storage, all of your water connections, outdoor shower, water controls, propane here, underbelly storage, and then a nice location on your auto leveling. The nice thing about this is you can control your hitch height here manually without having to go around the corner and take a look. And then again, thank you for clicking the link. This is the 2020 Forest River Heritage Glen F295 BH. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a time to come take a look at it, please call me. My name is Chris, 541-731-8583.